Hello. And welcome to my video. Let's talk about
Affiliate websites make money, 10 best affiliate marketing programs to make money from in 2020. Making money from your affiliate business. If you have a hobby that you can turn into a job, you will never have to do a day's work again. Do you have a hobby? Want to know how to turn that hobby into a work-from-home business? Working from home and making money from your hobby is one of the easiest ways to generate an additional income for you and your family. The lucky ones get to work from home all day, but I suggest you don't give up your day job. You have to build your income. A work-from-home business is the same as any other you need to work. However, the amount of work you put in will be rewarded, and besides, if it's a hobby, you don't mind doing it. All you really need is a website and an interest. So how is this possible? By using pay-per-click schemes, the classic being Google AdSense. Each time a visitor comes to your website and clicks on a link, you earn money. It really is that simple. Or is it? Well, actually, yes, it is. If you can build a website or get one built that you can add content to, then simply by putting your knowledge onto your website with some AdSense links, you may earn some money. I say may, only because if your user does not click a link, you will not earn, but you are rich in the knowledge that you have helped someone. At least you should be, as if your site is good, they might well return. This time they might click a link or two, and then you start to earn. How much can you earn? There is no hard and fast rules here. Working from home and making a living from your computer should always be your secondary income. What you earn should be considered a bonus. A holiday fund or a new car fund. Your work from home income will be your luxury fund. Payment is worked out automatically, you basically get what you get, but if you can attract visitors to your website, you will start to earn a little extra money. This is almost certain. Why so vague? There are no real methods of telling what a given home-based affiliate website might make in terms of money. The site needs to attract visitors who in turn need to click on an advert. If you have no visitors, your home business is going to take some extra work. Promotion search engine optimization is the first port of call. Build your website with a minimum of code and make it fast loading for your users. Add a sitemap to your website. Add a link to your signature in any forums you belong to. Add links to pages in any reference you make to your site. Content. Content is king and search engines love it. If your website business is hobby-based, be sure to include everything you know into your website, and as you learn more, add that too. Keep adding and adding. Content is great spider food, and spiders love fresh content. Updating your website regularly is a must. Don't be fooled. You might come across adverts that say earn $5,000 a month working from home. It might even say $10,000 per month working from home. I challenge these work-from-home schemes to prove the fact. The truth is, no home working program will give you an instant money tap. A well-crafted site will earn you a good income, but you have to work at it, keep it updated and promote it every day if you can, and eventually your seed will grow. How big? Only the effort you put in will tell. Advice, inspiration and implementation for affiliate website design is freely available from Ingamong.com. Good luck.
Please click the link in description for more information. Bye.